Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So now I will be presenting about the inference machine. So let's take a look at the interface of system. There are three options. 1. Enter one hypothesis, 2. Enter two hypotheses, and 3. Quit program. So first thing first, user will need to choose one of the option. So the first example, the user enter 1, and this is the example of rule of inference simplification. The rule of inference is stated by the hypothesis entered by the user. So the hypothesis entered by the user is, I will study discrete math and bahasa Melayu. So the conclusion is B. Next, this is the example of rule of inference addition. So the hypothesis is, I will study discrete math, and the conclusion is P or Q. Next, the user enter option 2, and the rules of the inference is conjunction. The hypothesis is, I will study math, and the second hypothesis, I will study bahasa Melayu. So the conclusion is P and Q. Next, the user still choose option 2, and the user enter the hypothesis. First, it is summer. Second, if it is summer, then I will study at math. The rules used is modus ponens, and the conclusion is Q. Next, the user still choose option 2. The first hypothesis, if it is summer, then I will study at math. The second hypothesis, I will not study discrete math. So the rules of inference is modus tollens, and the conclusion is negate P. So the next example, the user choose option 2, and the first hypothesis is, if it is summer, then I will study math. Second hypothesis, if I study math, then I will get A+. So the rules used is hypothetical syllogism. So the conclusion is P implies R. Next, the user choose option 2, and the user enter the first hypothesis, I will study math or I will study bahasa Melayu. Second hypothesis, I will not study bahasa Melayu. The rule used is disjunctive syllogism. So the conclusion is Q. Next, the user still choose option 2. So the first hypothesis is, I will study discrete math or I will study pendidikan Islam. The second hypothesis, I will not study discrete math or I will study bahasa Melayu. The rules used is resolution. So the conclusion is Q or R. Next, the user choose option 3, which is quit the program. So the output of the program is thanks for coming. Lastly, user enter input that user want to search, which is the input is wrong. So the program will output, sorry, wrong input. So thank you.